Look in front of the hotel I stayed in tonight. That one right there. But I wonder if they're open tomorrow. It's my room. Touring around the room I booked. So nice and clean. I think this is perfect for a family. Big TV screen. Hi. That's the bathroom. Oh. Nice. I like the same. And I like my room. I like the room I booked. Good for 2 people. That's the view of my room. The other side is the view is mountain. Yeah, it was sold out. This was only left when I booked it. Okay, going to the restaurant to buy something for dinner. Wait, so I have 2 showers here. That one. And then that one. Nice. Perfect timing when I came out from my room. I just newly arrived here from Cass Scenic Railroad. It's like 17 minutes from here. And this is the hotel I'm gonna stay in tonight. My room is behind this side. Only one left when I found it. That's the check-in area. I stayed in that hotel. And then all the rooms. This is parking lot. Park my car there. Parking lot, and there's also parking lot on the first floor. And that's all the rooms are there. That building. CORDUROY. I wonder what that one is. Sunset there. Okay, up. I'm gonna watch the sunset here. Well, if we can see it, maybe not. Never mind. Oh, this is for ski during winter. Okay, back there. Find some restaurant. It's dinner. So this is the... Oh, I see. Wow. they told me to go upstairs, walk, and the taxi is open upstairs. The other store is pizza place. I wanna eat pizza tonight. I want some burger. Ah, it's here. Okay. Smells really good. I order for takeout fish and chips. Trout, fish and chips. Smells really good. Good morning. Okay. I woke up early so I can fly my drone, but it's very windy. It looks stormy outside. I took a video from this window in the living room so I can take the whole view. That's the sunrise view right there. Corduroy Inn. Look at the view, the mountain covered by clouds. That place right there is for the ski. We will take, I think, cable car from there. There's also on the other side. So this place is perfect for ski lovers. The lady in information table said that a lot from Florida comes here during winter. Okay, I'm leaving in this hotel. I'm leaving from this hotel, going home. And this is the weather now. I'm on top of the mountain. I stay in Corduroy Inn and Lodge. Turn on my car. That's the place for the ski people. Ski during winter. I'm good now? Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you. Snow Creek. A lot of resorts in here for ski. Out of signal again. Can't play my music. Out of signal. Woohoo! A lot of curves. Oh, look! Deer! Hi! There's car behind me. I can't stop. I need to find a gas station. Need to refill before I hit the road, because I choose the one with tolls. So it's gonna be a whoop, whoop, whoop. Instead of 5 hours drive back home, it's gonna last like 4 hours something. I was planning to go this morning on Lake Lowry Caverns, but the weather is not good. It's gonna rain all afternoon later here in West Virginia, so I'd rather go home. So beautiful in here. Up, up, up. Woohoo! Pretty. Ooh, sharp curve.
Proceed to the route.
Ooh, sharp curve. Sharp turn. I need to find gas station. I should have refill gas station yesterday, but I was so tired from all the trip. No signal again. Oh, the air pressure on my ear. It's nice to be on top of the mountain. No, Snowshoe. I forgot the name of the place. This is haven for the ski lovers during winter. Oop. What time I left? I forgot. I'm gonna be arrived 1:40 something. Oh, nice. Woohoo!
At the next stop sign, take a slight right turn.
Slight turn. See? All the leaves almost gone here. Maybe I should have booked the tour for last weekend.